How do you calculate center of pressure? Have you ever wondered how NASCAR teams ensure their cars perform at their best on the track? One key factor in this performance is the center of pressure, or COP. This point is where all aerodynamic forces acting on the car can be considered to act. Understanding how to calculate the COP is essential for optimizing a car's design and handling. To start, we need to look at aerodynamic forces. These forces include drag, which opposes the car's motion, and downforce, which pushes the car onto the track. The COP is influenced by how these forces are distributed across the car's surface. Now, how do we calculate the COP? There are several methods used in the industry. One common approach is through experimental methods, particularly in wind tunnel testing. In this setup, a model of the car is suspended and subjected to airflow. By observing how the model reacts to different airflow conditions, engineers can determine the COP. This method is especially useful for complex shapes like NASCAR cars. Another method involves Computational Fluid Dynamics, or CFD. This technique uses computer simulations to analyze pressure distribution across the vehicle. By summing the forces and moments acting on the car, engineers can pinpoint the COP. This method provides detailed data that can be crucial for fine-tuning a car's design. For simpler shapes, theoretical calculations can be used to estimate the COP. However, given the complex designs of NASCAR vehicles, these calculations may not always be accurate. Understanding the COP is vital for stability and handling. The position of the COP relative to the center of gravity, or CG, affects how the car behaves. If the COP is ahead of the CG, the car tends to be more stable but may respond slower to driver inputs. Conversely, if the COP is behind the CG, the car can be more responsive but may sacrifice some stability. NASCAR teams use COP analysis to refine their aerodynamic designs. By adjusting elements like spoilers and diffusers, they can optimize the position of the COP for better performance. Wind tunnel testing is a critical part of this process, allowing teams to make data-driven decisions about their car designs. In summary, calculating the center of pressure involves a combination of experimental methods, computational simulations, and theoretical approaches. By mastering this calculation, NASCAR teams can enhance their cars' performance, ensuring they are both fast and stable on the track.